Welcome to the Superstars Business Networking website. I'm Jerry Supernaw, Executive Director. Superstars prides ourselves in being the finest organization in the area for providing new, quality business ideas for the professionals and how to expand their industry into greater markets and grow their business today. We know that the superstars are out there. We know that these people want to grow their business, want to gain new customers, and want to be able to provide the finest quality of service. If you are one of those people, please contact us, look at our website, find a location near to you, and come visit us. Remember, we want you to bring business cards and tell us how we can bring more business to you. If there isn't a location near you, please contact us. We'd be happy to look at starting a new location in your area.